If you haven't read these 5 books in your life, then you are already behind, and maybe you're missing some points while achieving the success. And yes, I said it clearly because if you are serious about your career, life, etc., and you have not read these 5 books, you are missing some important tools that you can deploy in your life, and you can actually grow faster than anybody else in the life. Experience alone is not enough anymore. Hi, I'm Rakesh Rana. I've helped thousands of mid-career professionals restart their growth and lead them to the leadership and the executive roles. Let's begin. If you haven't read this one book, Atomic Habit by James Clear, you don't really understand the discipline. This book teaches us one powerful idea, and that is 1% habit a day that can create a big, massive result. A small habit that can create big result. Now, most of the professionals actually set a very big goal. They want to have a lot of things in their life, but they don't fix their daily habits. Their daily routines is the reflection of their success or failure. And that's what, if you're stuck, it's not your talent, it's the system that you've not built. So start with the one small habit, just one, and you will see the magic happening with you. Second, if you haven't read The Essentialism by Greg McKeown, you are wasting a lot of time. Why? Because this book teaches you to focus. Focus is the precious commodity in the most restricted world that we are living today. 80% of your work does not really matter, but you are busy all the day. Leaders always say no to the good things to protect their great things. And that means removing one unnecessary meeting this week can be the first step towards getting yourself productive. Say no once and feel the difference and get your focus back in your life. The third, if you haven't read The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, you don't really understand how the wealth works. The high salary does not guarantee financial security. There is an income and there is a wealth. This book shows that behavior that controls the money. It's not about the IQ, it's about how you actually build the cumulative wealth in your life. Think about it. What's your annual expense? Multiply it by 25, and that's the number that will require for your freedom. Now, if you don't plan now, the 45 or 50 years will feel really heavy for you. Number four, which is if you haven't read the book called The Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. Now, most of us, we are just living like a headless chicken. That means we haven't found our why or a purpose. This book is all about the purpose. Frankl survived extreme suffering in the Nazi camp because he had the meaning. Most of the mid-career professionals that I come across, they feel tired not because of the workload, but because they don't know really why they are working. The clarity gives you a lot of power and energy. Ask yourself, what do I want in my life to stand for? And number five, if you haven't read the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, this is one book which is a classic, is called in the book reading area. And if you're not reading this, you're still reactive. This book teaches you how to build the relationship, how to build that trust, the leadership basics, which is taught by this book. The first habit is all about being proactive. Stop blaming the age, stop blaming the office politics, stop blaming the market, season, and your bosses. Plan your next 5 years clearly. Leaders always design their years, and the others just complain about the years passed by. If you are a mid-career professional and serious about your growth, read at least one of these books this month. Which book has really hit you and which book message has really found relevant? If you're somebody in the mid-career and you want to find your career stuck, then you want to reach out in the comment section and share which book is actually going to help you. And if you want me to help you in your career, just check the link somewhere below and join me in my free masterclass. I'll share with you more insight about these books as well as the proprietary RISE framework, which will help you grow in your career faster. I look forward to see you in the next video with more such insight. Just subscribe to this channel and share your comment which book has really helped you grow in your career. I see you